a healthy you ang hatid namin sa inyo dito sa Chibug at Home. Usong-uso ngayon ang mga organic products. Ito yung mga pagkain pinaniniwala ang mas masustansya sa mga ordinaryong mga pagkain ating nabibili, di ba,
Pero
Mami?
alam mo, Weng, this morning, hindi po basta-basta healthy food ang ating pag-uusapan, kundi heart-crafted healthy food. Kanina pa kinukwento sa atin ating bisita. Pero ano nga ba itong mga ito? To tell us more about this, mga kasama natin, mga kaibigan, ang owner, ang may-ari po ng Herbs Best na si Miss Fanny Guanzon.
Yan. Good morning.
Hi,
and welcome to
good morning
Homepage
po.
with Fanny.
Morning. Good morning, Ma'am.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Yan. Ma'am, ano yung heart-crafted healthy food na tinatawag?
Actually, we coined the word heart-crafted because we felt na yung paggawa namin is ginawa namin sa puso. So, very homemade ang pagka-process po nitong mga produkto natin. Kaya, lalo na inisip namin na yung tayo, pag nagluluto tayo at nag-serve tayo, di ba talagang kinakareer natin?
Yes.
Oo.
Talagang,
Lalo na for the family,
Lalo
diba?
for the family, talagang taus-pusong
Oo.
ginagawa. So, ganun din ang ginagawa namin dito. Paghabang nung ginawa ho namin ito, we actually did it with a lot of heart and a lot of love.
May
Yan.
puso.
May
Parang
puso.
ano lang
Opo.
din yan sa pagkanta, dapat may puso.
Correct.
Para feel na feel.
Ayan.
Correct.
At dahil tayo, ako, inaamin ko naman ever since diabetic po ako, mas
Okay.
medyo mataas ang sugar natin, di Weng? What makes it better than ordinary, healthy, organic food? Kasi alam mo, ang organic, mas better sa may mga
Yung mga ordinary, oo.
Kasi ganito yan, ang organic, well, the reason why it's organic is because it is devoid of the usage of pesticides and
And other
herbicides and
chemicals.
chemicals in the growing
Yes.
of the raw materials, which is the produce, which is everything comes from whatever it is the produce. Galing po sa pagtatanim, ang pagka-organic po ay nag-uumpisa mula po dun sa lupa na talagang itinitest po natin na talagang sigurado tayo na malinis
Natural,
at natural at
kumbaga.
walang mga residues ng mga
Yes.
chemical. Tapos dun ho natin pinatataniman ng mga halaman at mga prutas na ginagamit at mga herbs na ginagamit po natin sa pagkain. Na ngayon, that is why it's healthier because then again, you're already eating something that is natural and devoid of all these other
Yes.
bad stuff. Now, for those of you who are diabetics or have hypertension,
Yes.
it's always better to try to eat as natural as possible. Go on less on the sodium, go less on the sugar.
Yes.
And that's why our products are different because ito pong ating mga juices, meron po kaming dalandan, na juice na tubig na lang hong ihahalo natin. Pero ito po ay napakasarap dahil ito ang real extract of dalandan na ginamit po namin, na hiniluan po namin ng malunggay, dahon ng sili, talbos ng kamote,
Uy.
spinach,
So,
lemongrass.
hindi lang siya basta dalandan.
Hindi lang. At saka 21 fruits and 15 vegetable extracts. So, if you take that, at least you're sure na you're taking something healthy. Tapos matamis po siya kasi tinatamis po namin.
May
We
natural
use
siya.
stevia, which is from a plant also.
So you don't need to add sugar.
That's
No need to add
alternative
sugar.
to sugar, eh,
Alternative
yung
to
stevia.
sugar is the stevia. And so we also did that for our chocolate,
Chocolate,
where we
yes.
used our local tablea to support the growers of cocoa in the country. And the same thing, we added all the fruits and vegetable extracts to further enhance it. And then we also have our tea, which is
The
made
tea.
out of pure malunggay.
Malunggay.
And
Why malunggay?
Moringa.
I just
Wonder
have this-
gulay eh.
Diba? Wonder
Yeah.
gulay kasi siya, power
Correct.
food.
Yes.
At saka, I don't know, I guess I have this romance with malunggay. We use it, I use it. My mother, we put her on malunggay tea to at least maintain her healthy heart.
Totoo.
And then, my friends and family were using
Yes.
it for the antioxidant powers of malunggay.
Yan.
Because, we're living under so much stress and our lifestyle is so fast na siguro dapat medyo merong nagbabalance sa loob.
Yan. Aside from the beverages, may other products pa, like pwede pala panggisa.
Panggisa.
Or yung mga seasoning, And of course, the noodles.
Yes. Our flagship actually is yung spinach, malunggay spinach noodles pasta rin. We have the pasta noodles we call amori, which is this one. And then we also have, comes in two variants, the moringa spinach, the green box. And then we have the carrot squash, which is the orange box. And then sometimes we cook it combined, so it's very pretty on the plate, which is what I did here for your tasting
Ayan,
sample.
sample natin.
But it is
naman.
very simple. Ano lang po to, organic mushrooms, virgin olive oil, some garlic,
olive oil.
and then fresh basil, and a little bit of chili flakes. No?
Ayan.
And then of course, we have our sinigang and ginisa. So, sa atin po Pilipino, dahil kahit I am sure na marami po sa atin na
Mahilig magluto.
Yes. At hindi lang po yun, yung mahilig talaga tayong may sinigang tayo kahit man lang once a week sa mga pamamahay natin, hindi po ba? So, ito kong sinigang natin is all natural tamarind. Wala po siyang MSG. Low po ang sodium niya.
Yan.
At very heart healthy and heart friendly.
Tama. Yan ang mga bagay
The
sa
same
atin.
goes for our ginisa. And so you can cook knowing that you're using healthy stuff because we really cannot avoid it. People are really so living such a fast-paced life that you want to do this a little more conveniently. So we gave you the option to eat
ka
well,
na.
eat healthy, eat masarap. So ang kagandahan dito po sa Herbs Best products natin, you can eat healthy but it's delicious.
Ayan. So, thank you so much for gracing us this morning, Miss Fanny.
You're very welcome. It's my pleasure. And I hope you will enjoy it.
Yeah,
We
later
will taste it later. Anyway, yan. Samahan kami ulit bukas sa na matakam at mabusog dito sa Chibog at Home. Magbabalik pa po ang homepage.
Thank you.
Sa homepage at home